Hi, hello, cute cuties. So, today we will discuss the topic. Yeah, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் days மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு நம்ம physics exam க்கு. Maybe you will be feeling really scared. கொஞ்சம் days தான் இருக்கு. ஆனா full syllabus cover பண்ண முடியவே முடியாது. அப்போ இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்துக்கோ. இந்த 5 chapter மட்டும். Okay, you have to focus on this 5 chapter to get safe marks. Safe marks na 35 plus. Okay, I will give you the entire structure from each chapter, how much you can expect and how to get the maximum score in a very limited time. Okay, so CBSE exam, board exam okay, I have studied 20 hours, I have studied 15 hours a day and I will be getting full marks. The way you approach the preparation, or let's say the way you are preparing yourself, that matters. So konjam smart ah nama ipo prepare panna pore. So the first chapter vandu ellarkume theriyum, it is nothing but ray optics. So ray optics la vandu first of all, CBSE ki vanda inda madri oru pattern illa, like they are not going to release something officially that okay, from this chapter these many marks, this chapter this many marks, you can focus on this. Nothing like that. Ana nama recent ah vara PYQs, or let's say previous year question paper paakumbodhu we can understand we can analyze the things and we can come to the conclusion. So last few years question paper paakumbodhu inda ray optics la irundha almost approximate 12 marks, okay, 12 marks questions has came from this single chapter ray optics. Okay, so nama focus enna, we have to go through the ray diagrams. You should draw neat diagrams, that is necessary. Okay, you should draw neat diagrams. Second thing is of course theory, and you know there are many formulas, so you have to study the formulas. So you should practice numericals as well. So you can just do one thing, just take some previous year questions, just practice the numericals, get the pattern and work on it. Okay, so ray optics you will be getting like around 12 marks. Okay, 12 marks minimum, you can expect 10 marks. Every year it is asked 10 marks. And guys, if you are just watching this and if you are serious serious about getting good score in physics, of course you have to like and also subscribe this channel, because the major thing is, okay, the major thing is we are already started the CBSE board exam classes. Also, especially for physics, we will be doing amazing sessions like PYQs, numerical practice, everything. So channel subscribe பண்றது ரொம்ப 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 important. Okay, and like panniko, because later also you can just refer these videos. Okay, so first chapter வந்து ray optics la irundha nama expect பண்றது almost 12 marks. Okay, as I mentioned, minimum 10 marks will definitely come. Second chapter வந்து electrostatics. So electrostatics also we can expect the same marks, 12 marks. So electrostatics, this means we should cover the first 2 chapters, electric charges and fields and electrostatic potential. Okay, so combined in the 2 chapter la irundha 12 marks ku question ketirukku. Okay, so we have to focus on that chapter as well. So 2 chapters you will be getting maximum score. And also in the chapter la vandu more derivations irukku, and you know the importance of derivation in your board exam. High weightage derivations inga irukku, the electric dipole, axial equatorial point, everything is very very important. Gauss's law and its applications, that is also very very important. So neenga inge derivations focus pannanom plus theory and numericals. Okay, and third chapter vandu current electricity. So current electricity la we have to go for the numericals. Okay, and you know in current electricity we have many equations and we will forget everything. So do practice, or let's say you write the formula sheet, okay, and read every day, and as I mentioned, practice PYQs. So definitely you will be getting the idea that okay, this type of questions are coming, so I have to practice this type of questions more. Got it? And definitely we have done with the first 3 chapters. and fourth chapter வந்து magnetism. So magnetism, okay, magnetism chapter lum we know there is a huge bigger derivations, as I mentioned, high weightage, so you should focus on the derivations, and derivations you can't just read. Okay, yeah, I will read ma'am எனக்கு வந்து full mark கிடைக்க போறேன், it will never ever happen. Okay, derivations, if you are just read and going for the exam, I'm telling you, you will get stuck at, I mean, most of the time the major mistakes the students used to do. Yeah, நான் படிச்சிருக்கேன், என்ன படிச்சிருக்கேன், read பண்ணிட்டு வந்திருக்கேன். You can't get this score, you will be get stuck in between, so you will lose the 5 marks. Okay, so write and write and write. That is the only solution to get full marks for the derivation. Okay, and fifth chapter வந்து, okay, fifth chapter வந்து சின்னதா ஒரு chapter, what is a most underrated chapter, அது வந்து semiconductors. Okay, semiconductors. இந்த chapterல வந்து 6 to 7 marks for sure. Okay, இந்த சின்ன chapterல இருந்து 7 mark max to max, sorry, minimum 7 or 6 marks question வரும். Okay, same as magnetism, 6 to 7 marks. Okay, 6 to 7 marks. Current electricity also approximately 9-10 marks you can expect. So now you got an idea from the first 2 chapters, or let's say from the first 4 chapters, electrostatics, current electricity, this magnetism. In the first 3 chapters, compared to like 5 chapters varum. Okay, illanalum, like you have to focus on the major things and you will be getting this much of score. And along with semiconductor, if you are working on nuclei as well as dual nature, you will be, okay, you will be getting 12 marks from here as well. Okay, so along with semiconductors, if you're practicing nuclei and dual nature, I'm telling you guys, you will be getting an additional 12 marks, or let's say additional 5 more marks. Got it? So at least now, இன்னைக்காவது நீங்க practice start பண்ணனும், preparation start பண்ணனும், அது வந்து ரொம்ப 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 important. Okay, 10th la madri நான் last night I will study in the last night and I'll be getting full marks in the exam. No way. Okay, in the time la 12th ku boards ku ungalku what is it, you should get good marks, and the only thing that you can do is practice, and you should practice in a smart way. If you can't complete the whole syllabus, in the chapters la focus panniko, you will be getting the maximum score. Understood? So everyone has to start your preparation now itself. This is the most important day for you, because you are going to decide, yes, I'm going to start my preparation in a smarter way. So guys, all the very best. I hope everyone will be getting good score. And also, as I mentioned, do subscribe the channel, because you will be getting a lots of amazing sessions, physics, chemistry, biology la ungalku irukra ella requirements ukum solution tha in the chapter, I mean in the channel. So everybody has to subscribe. Also in the video friends ku share panniko, ஏனா அவங்களும் உங்கள மாதிரி படிக்கணும். Right, smart prepare பண்ணனும். So in the 5 chapters you have to focus, and we will meet with some other video on some other day. Thank you, bye bye.